In advance of its expected unveiling tomorrow, the Google Pixel 8 Pro has now been thoroughly leaked, with hands-on photos of the device using the AIDA64 and Device Info HW applications showing some of its key hardware specifications. The Google Pixel 8 Pro as well as the Pixel 8 have both been extensively leaked in recent weeks. The high-end smartphones are set to be unveiled tomorrow along with the new Pixel Watch, but a fresh hands-on leak has now made all the significant hardware specifications of the Pixel 8 Pro available thanks to the AIDA64 and Device Info HW applications. First things first, the Google Pixel 8 Pro leak has 12 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. The Google Nona Core Tensor G3 processor has a Cortex-X3 Prime core clocked at 2914 MHz, 4 Cortex-A510 cores clocked at 1704 MHz, 4 Cortex-A715 cores clocked at 2367 MHz, and 4 Cortex-A715 cores clocked at 2367 MHz. The Mali G715 serves as the GPU. Moving on to the cameras, the Pixel 8 Pro has three distinct 12.5 megapixels, 12 megapixels, and 12.2 megapixel sensors listed. A 50 megapixels primary camera and two 48 megapixels cameras for the zoom and ultra-wide-angle lenses are confirmed by 4-in-1 pixel binning. The selfie camera is listed as having a 10.5 megapixel sensor, which is almost identical to that seen on last year's Pixel 7 Pro. The Pixel 8, Pixel 8 Pro, and Pixel Watch 2 will be unveiled by Google on October 4th. The two smartphones, which will make their debut as the company's most recent high-end models, will be driven by its third-generation Tensor chipset. However, in light of recent, leaked benchmarks, it appears that the Tensor G3 will continue to exhibit subpar performance. Before the launch ceremony for the Pixel 8 series, the flagship Pixel 8 Pro has now been discovered on Geekbench, revealing results that fall short of the competition. The gadget was tested using Geekbench 6.2, which yielded single-core scores of 1,760 and multi-core scores of 4,442 according to the leaked picture. Not bad, but still lagging far behind its competitors. According to our database, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 achieves an average single-core score of 1,976 on the same test. The latest Qualcomm flagship chipset achieves a score of 5,149 on average in the multi-core test. In fact, it appears that the performance of the Tensor G3 in the Pixel 8 Pro and the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 from last year are scarcely comparable. That is, at least, consistent with Google's earlier Tensor chipsets, delivering performance from the previous generation. For what it's worth, the Pixel 8 Pro seems to provide a 20% increase in CPU performance over the Pixel 7 Pro, and for aficionados of the series, that's mostly what counts. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.